Hi everybody, it's Kieran here at Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. I've got something really cool to show you today. We are at the Sandman Signature Hotel here in Kamloops. Now, if you've been following along, you may have seen that we are currently on the Rocky Mountaineer doing the Banff to Vancouver trip. And as part of that stay, you do get to stay overnight in Kamloops. And we have a really beautiful room. So I just thought I'd kind of give you a bit of a tour of this room while we're here. And just so you can get a feel for the type of hotel you'll be staying in if you do decide to do a Rocky Mountaineer experience as well. So this is a really cool room. I'm going to take a step back now and just show you. It's a suite, which is kind of cool. It's a shame we're only here for a couple of hours overnight. But if you can imagine staying here for a bit longer, this would be a really great place to kind of spend that time. Now, you can actually join the Rocky Mountaineer here in Kamloops. So this could possibly be somewhere if you wanted to explore the area first and then obviously then join the Rocky Mountaineer from Kamloops. But the full experience on Rocky Mountaineer is going to be joining in either Vancouver or Banff or Jasper possibly as well. So it's a bit of an odd place to start off, but you totally can. But anyway, back to the room. So here you can see now you've got a full living room area there as well. So you've got a sofa with a little ottoman unit with a TV as well. And you've got your air conditioning unit and the view. Now it is night time because we have got in quite late today down to some freight issues. So you can just see there you've got some nice views. We're on the 5th floor here. And then just looking back then, you've got your kind of phone unit in case, again, you need to ring reception for anything. Your bathroom, kitchen even. So you've got a full kitchen cooker unit if you need to use it. Microwave, plenty of storage space for food. So again, loads of options for kind of preparing food. A dishwasher unit there as well. This is just incredible. So you've got your coffee machine there as well if you need to wake up in the morning and make coffee. And you've got a full fridge and freezer as well, which is fantastic. Here again, you've got a wardrobe with an iron as well. So if you do need to prepare and iron anything, you've got that. But I'll just show you through now here into the bedroom as well, which is an absolutely beautiful bedroom. So you've got a TV as well. So you've got 2 different TVs if you want to watch 2 different shows, or if you want to watch TV in bed, your air conditioning unit, and then your bedside unit, again with an alarm clock and bedside lights as well. But you've also got reading lights as well as bedside lights as well. So again, loads of really great features to kind of really customize how you want to spend your time in this room, whether you're somebody who wants to read in bed, or you want to kind of just light the room and make it a bit more intimate. You've got those options. And again, another phone here as well, which is really fantastic as well. So you can ring reception and get access to all the features straight from your room as well. No bedside sockets really. So again, charging is going to be a bit of an interesting challenge tonight. But hey, I'm sure there's plenty of plugs and sockets around the rest of the room. And again, you've got this little kind of walk-in dressing unit here as well, where you've got your suitcase horse as well there. So you can kind of put your suitcases on there. Chest of drawers, safe, bathrobes, and again, another little wardrobe. And then this is really beautiful. So here you can see then here's the bathroom. So again, you've got your vanity mirror as well with the magnifying lens as well, which is nobody's friend, but they're great and handy when you need them. Again, your toiletries are included. There's a hairdryer there as well, plenty of towels, which is really, really great. And then a really lovely shower unit as well. So all in all, a really beautiful suite. Really nice surprise as well to have such a really fantastic suite to come back to. Oh, I've just noticed as well the pillows actually come with soft and hard options as well. So you've actually got a pillow menu as well, which is a really nice touch, and a really great big bed as well. So guys, that's it. One last quick look then at the main living area. And that's it. So that's a quick room tour of the Sandman Signature Hotel here in Kamloops. And again, if you are thinking of taking a Rocky Mountaineer holiday, or you want to include her as part of your kind of Canada and Alaska cruise package, then definitely have a chat to us. We'd love to help you find the right Rocky Mountaineer experience, as well as the right cruise as well for exploring the Alaska area. Other than that, guys, all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.